When I newly married to him, some of my friends, they begin to mock me, say after my church, because I'm a very strong church person. And they a prayer warrior, Jericho destroyer. So some of my friends, when they now hear say they marry chief priest, some of them was mocking at me. At the end of it, look at where she now find herself. I'm not regretting the reason why I married him. Many people, even my friends, they are happy with me now because I'm doing well. My name na Lolo Ebelechuku Obi. I be the wife of the chief priest, Idemmili Cultural Center, Agulu. I visited him and I said, when I was coming, that the shrine told him that he should look up, that this girl coming down right now, that girl is the wife that the shrine sent for him, that will take care of him at the old age. I dey look the age, I dey look myself. I don't know what to say. I did not respond though. Oh, when I tell my mother say no, say I will not go and marry him, or that the man is old man. And I told him that I will reason that when I was growing up, that they show me a place that I was sitting as a lolo. That maybe is that dream that I was saying is this. My mom was not happy with me that time. And the man even tell me, say years back, 25 years ago, that people from Agaba-idu called him to come and collect offer. And I came from Agaba-idu, that your Agaba-idu told him that he will come and stay with him for the rest of his life. And that Agaba-idu is a woman. I didn't even know that the Agaba-idu sent me to come and visit him for my own problem. I know they fear the work, because when I was growing up, anywhere I went to, even at the pastor place, they always tell me, say I be Ezewany. I have a call. They always prophesize about me, that I'm a great person. So I didn't even know that it was like this. That if I refuse to do this work, to accept this work, that they will make me mad. So I know say I call for the work, and I'm beside him. That time where they go church, where I be prayer warrior, I dey see those things, all these native something, I dey see as a bad thing. But it's only when I begin to marry my husband. Now I notice and say I don't see any bad thing. Say most of the pastors, I can't see them where I could not even mention their names. Most of them come here, my oga come they work for them. I can't even begin to see, say most of them they seek power from him. Then when they go back to their church, they will start begin to cast the water spirit, die, do this, do that. So I now begin to see, say culture na natural. And they prefer this one. Because when I want to pray, I will bring my cola. I will just talk straight to God. Some people, they reason say no, only for church, now you go get your solution. They pray for them. Spirit husband, die. Whereas the spirit husband will just stay there. If it be safe for you to come for culture, we just go and settle the spirit husband. Their physical husband will come out for the planet. You go marry your husband and enjoy your marriage. They tell them for church, say they go do deliverance for them. Whereas you don't go at deliverance for how many years? Whereas the same thing where they happen to you, go see they happen to you. When you buy things and go to the river and settle the spirit wife or spirit husband, the spirit husband or spirit wife will leave you alone. There's difference between culture. People where they do culture, they do sham. Who they do oracle? No, they do sham.